Come on. Listen. Day two. Out here with Big Jamaican Steve and Boat Life. Listen, you see that? Those you've been wondering. Ooh, Young Mon style, right? Listen, you see that, right? We know what that is. Bitcoin, baby. For the next level lifestyle. We're going back out. Look at the water, man. Crazy. Look at this, ridiculous. Heading to the yacht right now. But look at that, team. See that? When you seeing that 24 karat gold, baby, you know what time it is. Coming back to wipe the land. Yesterday, we're in motivation mode. Today, we're in grind mode. My man Les Brown says it best. You got to be hungry for success. You heard me? And right now, man, we got a whole army here. Spain, Argentina, Jamaica,
Korea,
America's own, Bahamian born. You know, we making things happen.
Yep.
Man, we got so many locations all over the world that came together on this. We can't even keep up with all the people, man. Stay tuned. Get with us. Quit wasting time, man. Find out what Bitcoin is all about, how we making a killing in this thing, man. Don't just sit around and watch everybody get rich while you actually starving in America. American dream away. Where you at? You can be Switzerland, Germany, France, Japan, wherever you at. You need to get with us. Follow that link below, man. And let's make some money, make something happen out here. This is the boat. And you're getting from Belize. About to get on the boat. Yeah. It's looking good out here, people. Plenty of money. Come with us. All right. It's W. Later.